Hi everyone, this is Darlene Trevino with Trevino Law Firm. I am coming live to you today from my home. I'm working from home, being safe, just following the regulations that are out there. Today I am coming to you with Trevino's Tuesday tips, and my tip today for the week is pictures, pictures, pictures. You want to take pictures after you've been involved in an accident. Pull over to the side of the road to stay safe. Then after that, hi Janet, after that, make sure to grab your camera and take pictures. It doesn't matter how big or how small the car accident is, make sure that you take photos of everything. Remember, it's key to always have more than it is to have less. You don't want to live in a regret of I should have or I could have done that to prove or disprove liability. You want to make sure that you can actually have those photos available. So bring out your phone, take pictures of your vehicle, the damage all around the vehicle. You want to take pictures of the other vehicle, their damage, and all around the damage, all around the car as well. Because you want to show where the damage is, but you also want to show whether there was any other damage to that car, or so you could show whether there was pre-existing damage and what exactly was the damage from the accident. Take a picture of the driver's license, the license plate of the car, even the individual themselves. Take a picture of the party that you were involved in a car accident with. So don't necessarily, have them pose for a picture, because I'm sure most people would be put off by that. But if you can, as you're taking those pictures, snap a picture of that person. You want to show who was driving the vehicle. In my field, when I talk to clients, there is endless amount of liability dispute, people that were driving, disputing who was actually driving the vehicle. You're actually really not surprised. And what happens is when we're involved in an accident, our emotions start to come in. So what I hear a lot from my clients is it happened all so fast, it was unexpected, and I was shaken up. And that's totally fine. We're not robots, so we don't, know exactly what to do, even though we think we do right now when we're calm, we're cool, and we're collected. But at the time of an accident, you're shaken up. You really are. And those emotions, you're, checking to see if people are okay, if you have kids in the car, you're worried about your own self. So you don't really remember what you need to do. So just let this come to mind. Pictures, pictures, pictures. Take pictures of everything. It's better to have more pictures than it is to have less, because the worst case scenario is that you just delete those pictures. That's it. But the best case is that you're going to help that to prove liability. You're going to help to prove who the driver was. You're going to have to prove what kind of car it was. Definitely there's a lot behind investigating an accident. So if you actually can reflect and relate, go back to those photos, it's going to be very helpful to do that. Our memory might not always serve us correctly, so we might not remember certain things, or we might write down something in a hurry, and we might jot down the person's license plate incorrectly, the policy number incorrectly. But the photos, there's no error there as far as what is in the picture. So again, just remember, take pictures, pictures, pictures. Let's hope that we don't get involved in accidents. Let's be defensive drivers. But if you are found to be involved in one, make sure you just grab that camera. It doesn't matter how big or how small the accident is. Those pictures will definitely help you. And at the very least, you just delete them. Thanks again. This is Darlene Trevino with Trevino Law Firm. If you guys have any questions, please just leave them, message me with the questions. If there's anything you want me to talk about, I'll be more than happy as well to talk about it on next week's live. Again, Darlene Trevino, you guys have a great day.